I want to tell you about a patient of mine. Let's call him Robert. At 68, Robert was a retired engineer, a grandfather to 3 wonderful kids, and a man who had always been fiercely independent. But lately, something had shifted. He told me, with the frustration I see so often, "Emily, it feels like my body is betraying me. Walking up the stairs leaves me breathless. I don't have the energy to play with my grandkids like I used to." And he hesitated. The drive I once had, that feeling of being a strong, capable man, feels like it's fading. NTHAT fear in his eyes is something I see every day. It's not just about getting older. It's the fear of losing your independence, of becoming a burden, of watching life from the sidelines instead of living it. It's the quiet worry that your best years are behind you. NIF. Any of that sounds familiar? I want you to take a deep breath. What Robert was feeling, and what you might be feeling, isn't a life sentence. It's a wake-up call. It's your body telling you that it needs a different kind of support now. And the good news? That support doesn't have to come from a pharmacy, it can come right from your kitchen. Today, we're going to talk about how, Potnen, the real reason your body is changing. So, what's really going on in our bodies after 60? It's not as complicated as you might think. 2 major things are happening. And first, let's talk about your cardiovascular system, your heart and blood vessels. Think of them as the highway system for your body. They deliver oxygen and nutrients to every single cell, from your brain down to your toes. As we age, these highways can become a bit less flexible and a bit more clogged. This is often due to a decrease in something called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a miracle molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and widen, allowing blood to flow freely. When nitric oxide levels drop, blood pressure can rise, and blood flow to vital organs, including the heart and, yes, to the organs responsible for male drive, can be reduced. This is why you might feel more tired or less vigorous. And second, there are hormonal shifts. It's a natural part of aging. For men, testosterone levels gradually decline. Now, this isn't just about libido. Testosterone is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, bone density, energy levels, and even your mood. When it dips, you might notice you feel a bit weaker, more fatigued, and that your overall zest for life has diminished. And understanding this isn't about causing alarm. It's about empowerment. Because once you know why something is happening, you can take targeted, effective action to address it. And that's exactly what we're going to do in the Red Revitalizer for your heart, pomegranates. And let's start with our first powerhouse fruit. I call it the Red Revitalizer, and it is the magnificent pomegranate. This isn't just a fruit. It's ancient medicine, and modern science is now proving why. And pomegranates are one of the most potent natural boosters of nitric oxide available. Remember that molecule we just talked about? The one that helps your blood vessels relax? Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants called punicolagens that not only protect your existing nitric oxide from breaking down, but also encourage your body to produce more of it. Think of it like this. You're not just clearing the traffic on your body's highway, you're adding new lanes. This means better blood flow everywhere. It supports a healthy heart by helping to manage blood pressure, and it improves circulation to every part of your body. And I had another patient, David, who was 72. He was skeptical. He'd been on blood pressure medication for years and felt resigned to a life of low energy. I encouraged him to start drinking a small glass of pure pomegranate juice each morning. After about 6 weeks, he came back to my office with a different kind of energy. He said, "Doc, I don't know what's in that stuff, but I feel lighter. My walks are easier, and I have more stamina in the afternoons." His blood pressure readings had improved too. David's story is a beautiful example of how a small, daily habit can create a profound change. You can eat the seeds, called arils, or drink the pure, unsweetened juice. It's a delicious way to revitalize your entire system. In the Green Guardian for male drive, avocados in. Next up is what I like to call the Green Guardian of male vitality, the avocado. For years, fat was made out to be the enemy. Thankfully, we now know that the right kind of fat is not just good for you, it's essential, especially for men over 60 and. These are the healthy fats that are critical for producing hormones, including testosterone. Think of these fats as the raw building blocks your body needs to maintain hormonal balance. When you don't get enough of them, your body's hormone factory can't operate at full capacity. This can lead to that feeling of dwindling drive and energy, NBUT. That's not all. Avocados are also loaded with vitamin B6, which plays a direct role in hormone production, and potassium, which is vital for healthy blood pressure and heart function. This combination makes the avocado a true double-action hero. It supports your heart health and your hormonal health simultaneously. A gentleman named Frank, 65, told me he'd always avoided avocados because he thought they were fattening. He was struggling with afternoon slumps and a general lack of vigor. I explained the science and suggested he add half an avocado to his lunch each day, on toast, in a salad, or even just with a spoon and a sprinkle of salt. A month later, he reported feeling more sustained energy throughout the day. He said, "It's like my body has a fuel source it was missing." That's exactly right. Adding avocado to your diet is like putting premium long-burn fuel in your engine. The blue protector for brain and body, blueberries in. Our third fruit is small, but its benefits are immense. I call them the blue protectors. I'm talking about blueberries. If pomegranates are for your blood vessels and avocados are for your hormones, think of blueberries as the protectors of your entire system, especially your brain. And blueberries are famous for their high concentration of antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the compounds that give them their beautiful blue color. These antioxidants are like your body's personal security team. They travel through your bloodstream and neutralize unstable molecules called free radicals, which cause damage to your cells, a process called oxidative stress. This damage is a major driver of aging and by protecting your cells. Blueberries help maintain the health of your blood vessels, which, as we know, is crucial for heart health and strong circulation. But their benefits go even further. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can support cognitive function. Better blood flow to the brain and less cellular damage means a sharper mind, better memory, and a reduced risk of age-related cognitive decline. And for men who want to stay sharp, active, and in control of their faculties, blueberries are non-negotiable. A handful a day in your oatmeal, a smoothie, or just as a snack is one of the best investments you can make in your long-term health. It's about protecting your body and your brain for the long haul. The yellow energizer for daily stamina, bananas. Finally, let's talk about a fruit that's simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. The yellow energizer, the humble banana. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This fruit is a powerhouse for daily stamina. NTHE main hero in bananas is potassium. Many people don't realize how critical potassium is for cardiovascular health. It works in a beautiful partnership with sodium. While sodium can raise blood pressure, potassium helps your body flush out excess sodium and eases tension in your blood vessel walls. For men over 60, maintaining this balance is key to keeping blood pressure in a healthy range. NBUT bananas are also a fantastic source of natural, slow-release energy. They contain healthy carbohydrates and vitamin B6, which is essential for converting food into usable energy. Unlike sugary snacks that give you a quick spike and an even quicker crash, a banana provides a steady stream of fuel. This is perfect for combating that mid-afternoon fatigue we talked about. Instead of reaching for a cup of coffee that might disrupt your sleep later, a banana can give you the gentle lift you need to power through your day, whether you're heading to the garden, playing with your grandkids, or going for a walk. It's nature's perfect portable energy bar, and your daily action plan for a stronger you. Okay, we've covered a lot. Pomegranates, avocados, blueberries, and bananas. But knowledge is only powerful when you apply it. So how do we make this a simple daily reality? I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Here is a simple action plan. My favorite way to get 3 of these in one go is with a Vitality smoothie in the morning. It's easy, delicious, and takes less than 5 minutes. Here's the recipe. N1 whole banana for energy and potassium, and half an avocado for healthy fats and hormones. A generous handful of blueberries for antioxidant protection. You can add a splash of pomegranate juice or a scoop of the seeds and blend it with some water, milk, or a protein source like Greek yogurt. This one smoothie starts your day with a powerful dose of everything we've talked about. And then simply have the pomegranate juice or seeds as a snack later in the day. Or, if you prefer, have the avocado on whole wheat toast for lunch and the berries with your oatmeal. The key is to find a routine that works for you. Start small. Maybe just add one of these fruits this week, then add another next week. Before you know it, you'll have built a powerful new habit and a hopeful horizon. Your best years are ahead. And I want to circle back to Robert, the man I told you about at the beginning. He started with the smoothie. He started taking his daily walks again. Slowly but surely, the light came back into his eyes. The last time I saw him, he was planning a hiking trip, something he hadn't dreamed of doing just a few months earlier. Your body is an incredible thing. It has a profound ability to heal and regenerate when given the right tools. The journey to a stronger heart and lasting vitality is not a sprint. It's a series of small, consistent steps taken every single day. Please do not fall into the trap of thinking that decline is inevitable. It is not. You have the power in your hands and on your plate to write a different story for your health, a story of strength, of independence, and of joy. Your best years are not behind you. They can be right now and in the years ahead. Auntie, thank you so much for spending this time with me. Take care of yourselves and know that you are capable of incredible things.